welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, in this, we are having, someone speaking, or I should say, Glendon Powell. She's speaking about basically that money that was issued to the landlord, Erica. Now, Dwayne is playing these tapes as they come along because it's all over social media now. And basically, she and the landlord, Erica, they're having issues. Now, we know that on Erica's page, she had posted information saying that people should contact Cash App and Zelle basically to get back their money from Powell. However, Powell is saying that the money was given to the landlord. So, guys, you have to go and catch this video as Dwayne dissects it and, try to, put in his own words, his own understanding of this back and forth thing between the landlord and Powell over this money issue. He's saying that, basically we have to, take a look on this, knowing that, well, he said that the landlord was doing a good thing in the beginning, basically, but then it became a lot about the money. So you have to go ahead and go watch the video for yourself and draw your own conclusion, just as anyone else would. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have a beautiful day.
Do what she had to do. And if that means kissing Donegal's ass or defending Donegal, that is exactly what she was gonna do. Port is what we call a chameleon. You know what a chameleon is? She has a lot of different spots. A lot of them.
Girl, nothing. What cooking in your kitchen, my girl? You know, miss me.
Me not play that one there.
I don't forget.
See everything, and when me call her, she not answer. No. Even this morning, one woman called that she sent me $50. Me want to tell her to deactivate the Cash App and the Zelle because from August, yeah. Because evil people, me I call her in August because they say they send money for my birthday. Me can't hear nothing from Glandine. And the money them been going in because the lady this morning said the money gone in herself. From me, the text her and say, Glandine, somebody send some money in herself for me. Oh, me I go look. Until now, me...
We don't want you that one. We can find some spicy ones.
I agree. But just get them.
For everyone who don't know, this person is Everblessed Mel, the alleged lawyer in the UK. Everblessed Mel? Mom, I'm going to report you to the Law Society, Everblessed Mel. I'm glad my mom left my home now. Everblessed Mel, I'm going to report you to the Law Society. I know, darling, at a point I was going to study law too. So I know how law works. And you are on social media being a part of a scamming ring, a scamming network. I'm going to report you to the Law Society. Everblessed Mel from UK. I think you're in Birmingham. Yeah. Oh, and high grade, if you have Everblessed Mel number, give it to me. I will give it to the relevant people so they can go do their right research to find out her real government name. Yeah, that's the right thing to do. Or anyone of you who knows her number, send it to me. I'll give it to the right people. I promise you.
Just answer to them.
I will.
And as I said in the group,
let's start this one over.
I agreed. I just get the message. I just answer to them. And as I said in the group, and I'll say it again. Trust me, this don't pleasing for me. It's really sad. And you say I've shut down the account and whatever. I'm just going to ask you. Right now, I know you're hurt. I can hear it in your voice. But just be the bigger person. Just leave it, Make peace reign. And I will say the same thing to Erica. Yeah? Because trust me, things shouldn't reach to this level.
What you not say, girl? What you not say?
Not at all.
What you not say, girl?
Ever get to this level. I know you didn't there for Erica. I know you ride with her. And this is just really sad.
What you not say, girl?
With the voice note there. Blessed ones.
I'm saying, pause.
That is Mel.
Pause. I'm sending more voice notes to myself because I have everything. I've been telling a long time. I have everything long time. I just didn't want to play just yet. Man, I was waiting for the right opportunity to come bust up your backside, Porty. Period. You damn scamming us, lady. You are. You need to go to prison.
You when him did that too. When him doing God, I know
Dwayne.
That smell. That I when.
Pause. We need one more person. If this person came out and speak, I promise you, this will be the nail in the coffin that we, the people, need. Venshaw, my good sis, remember, Venshaw. I don't feel like if you guys know who Venshaw is. Venshaw, my good sister Venshaw. We've come a long way. And I know for a fact you was also a part of Porty's collecting coins, monies, whatever, for her alleged illicit activities. Venshaw, you girl, come out and dash out Panato girl. Because let's be real, more than one, she have to go stop. Or she just go find another avenue. So Venshaw, come out, girl. Venshaw, Kim Fagan, all of you for come out. Well, on if you come out. Come out, so I'm Tono. Hey, does anyone know, any of you guys have Venshaw's number? I am sure. If any of you have Venshaw number, send it to me in my damn WhatsApp. Because Venshaw should come out too. No, she should come out, guys. She should come out. She should come out. This is the only way Porty will get shut down. She should come out and speak her truth. Venshaw, please come out, sister. Sister, please come out. You hear me? I love you. I will always love you. We've come from so far. Me, you, Barbisha, Shania, Kim, the world will come from far. And let's be real, we all knew a long time ago Porty was doing this nonsense. We didn't know to what depth or how deep her illicit activities went. But now we know. And we need you to put icing on the cake, Venshaw. So come for us, sister.
That is Mel. Give a name there that too.
May I come? I'm going to close my door 1 second.
I know that is Mel. That when Erica did that chat up her mouth, I made it tell Mel on fear page. Ray. So tell him to listen that cause she said she not have no cash up, she not this, she not that, she go and get FUCK. All of them know about it and all of these voice notes. Anyhow, tell him say, see our friend Mel, the one over England. I don't know if somebody can go to school, go study law.
Let's jump from this one. We don't care what I want there. We don't care what I want there.
Erica, you left message over here. Oh, people are leave money for your birthday and the other day, and you have to say yes to money where you not get. Erica, the reason why I stopped collecting your money and I shut off your cash up all along and you tell no money can't come over here. Anybody send money over here, please tell them to send the receipt or meet me on White Plains Road at the bank and come with them receipt, because guess what? All the receipt is there for cash up and bank, because me can't delete it. It belongs to the government. Me can't do nothing about it. Mama Joyce come out and say where she say. Shells come out and say where she say. Audrey come out and say where she
On the story, the best part, wait.
The person me not hear say nothing wey offend me is Mel. Uno come and uno a chat and a talk about this.
Listen, the reason why I'm playing these voice notes, you guys need to have a breakdown. You need to understand where all of this shit is coming from. Now, let me know analyze now. You need to understand where this is coming from. So I want to open on the ears and listen keenly. Because on now, go get the picture. Understand? So open your ears and listen good. Porty is very, very cunning. She's cunning beyond measure. All right.
No. Erica, look how much millions me send come here. Me have
on the ear?
alphabet.
On the ear? how much millions, not thousands, how much millions was sent to Erica Angela Merchant in Jamaica. My question to you people, all the time you saw her feed the people, did that accumulate to even 1 million, even 1 million? All the time. And bear in mind, 3/4 of the time, she mix up a piece of chicken with some chicken back. Me not ask, you know, I tell you know, chicken back and get the people them for yam. And if you don't know chicken back is go to Jamaica, go buy chicken back. I don't know what chicken back look like. Put careful. She'll fool. Oh no, we'll live a foreign. But me, I go to Jamaica a whole lot. I got Jamaica enough. So I know what chicken back looks like. Even though I don't like to eat chicken back, I know what it looks like. Understand? Porty has been doing this for far too long. It's full time she gets stopped. And Porty, I'm not gonna curse you. I want the law to deal with you. You need to face the full force of the law. By the hook or the crook, you have to face the full force of the law. I'm gonna cure Bex.
Paris call me, you know, and come with them receipt because guess what? All the receipt is there for cash out and bank because me can't delete it. It belongs to the government. Me can't do nothing about it. Mama Joyce come out and say where she say. Shells come out and say where she say. Audrey come out and say where she say. The only person me no hear say nothing will offend me is Mel. Uno come and uno a chat and a talk about this and that and uno know nothing. Erica, look how much millions me send come to you. Me have every proof of it. IRS call me, you don't know about it. Western Union call me, you don't know about it. Me alone have to pay back all of them there. Me tax when me file with you, me no get back no money. Me alone have to face it. Me no say nothing to you because me say me put in my part as collecting the money and give to you so you can feed people.
Oh no, you're Tory.
You come and left message from my phone about people. I say,
we saw you go to the big stuff.
People now get here, nothing now. Me I take money and this and that. Yo, me fucked up, you know. But tell you where they say me have 2 jobs. Me I go to school. Me busy. Me have my business I take care of. Me not no time for the on no Facebook or no this or no that. Me go when me feel like.
Turn on the TV.
Me go. Everybody I go call and chat with them and chat with them and chat. Erica, me never take a dime from you yet. And Erica, me have every receipt can check off and make you see how much money the people them send come give you over the years. You match it back with them name and whatever. I don't take no money for you. And I never yet ask you for your soda. Never yet. Most time I send money and I make people send money. I take money out of my pocket and pay them. Tell me when your money short and all of the people them will send money. I told me they work now. I go over the message and I be like,
Enough.
You me cut up. Because Mama Joyce, oh, you're there on top of your blood clean, nerves attack, all you argue, you don't know nothing. You don't know how much million me send God Jamaica will have me in a problem right now. No know about it. Ask Erica, I've never asked her for $10, $20 or a black $1 kind it. Never. You understand? So when I know a chat, say, Erica, I'm disappointed in you. That is the reason why I'm just F off. Because guess what? You cannot call me and I come mix me up about money and I talk about me a thief and this and that about people think you are the thief. You are the thief means say, I'm the thief, you know, something I try tell me, you know, yo, what you never know, you know, but most of the time.
Pause. I just looked. Let me tell you this. If you don't want Tory, you're not going to act right. Don't play with me. Listen, I'm not here running a damn dolly house. I'm come to come expose Porty. Enough of you planks is over here right now. On the one ear shit. On the one ear Porty done off. Done go. And that's on the compound. And that nothing on the compound is even act right. Don't me start chop to BBC. Don't me start chop them. On come off. If you're not share, if you're not like on a blood clot, come off. You understand? Don't come on blood clot. Like some come pushing a big stinking antenna. Go on, man, go on. You don't like me. Why you over here? You don't want like, you don't want share, you don't want come, you don't do nothing. Why are you here again? You don't like me, right? You don't like me. Fuck you like. Fuck you and fuck your blood clot like. The fuck? Turn on the TV, please. Okay. Yes. And watch it. And I lock the door, because I don't want to hear my gun. I don't want to hear my gun, so. My young family's here. When I lock my young family, and just come. I'm going to be myself. I'm going to behave myself. But yeah, let's be honest. A lot of you don't like me. You don't. I cannot understand why, but you don't like me. You don't want to interact with me. You don't want to like my videos. You don't want to share my videos. Shit, you just choose to hate me unwarranted, but you still come to my page day in, day out, right? Why? I don't get it. You know, so teeth them yellow. Why are you here again? Oh, only God knows. Only Uno and God knows the answer. But yes, Porty's what we call a social media kleptomaniac. A social media kleptomaniac. And people, let me tell you this. This is the first I'm gonna break this. Porty never does business in Portland. She goes to St. Mary and St. Anne because she don't want Portland people know she have money. And all this time I knew these things about Porty, but I didn't come out here and busted it out. But today, Porty is your judgment. After me, you the done go behind the scenes. After the woman was so good to you. First, come on to say, it's a pastor, cock up on their back at church. And when I realize you get the planks them that you now get the plank them money, you say, ass, me frig up. Or how am I gonna fix this? Oh, let me come on and start cuss for that again. And Porty, you are a damn disgrace. You are. I feel sorry for you. I really do. May God have mercy on you. Anyways, let's continue. I'm gonna play more for you guys. Let me check the shares and the likes and see what's popping. Because right about now, on the night I cried, and I'm not giving. You don't want to give me stars, which is fine. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the stars because I never gave none of you any money to put down. Right? I did not. So that's okay. But what I'm going to ask for, what I expect from you is likes and shares. Dwayne, I must honestly say, Landlawd never cooked a proper meal for those unfortunate homeless people. And all she does was give them slush looking. Oh Lord! But yet still, the planks did feel compelled to give her. Honestly, before we play anymore. At a point, I was very disappointed in some platform holders out here because after people coming out here and openly saying this person's a thief, this person's this shit, even putting out evidence of that person blatantly stealing people's monies to go and do their